According to the intelligence of the Donetsk People's Republic, Ukrainian armed formations are planning to carry out massive shelling from hailstones and other heavy weapons in the residential areas of Kramatorsk, Slavyansk, Artomovsk, possibly Mariupol, and other settlements of Donbass, currently controlled by Ukraine. The goal of this crime is to accuse Donetsk People's Republic and Russia's troops of shelling, destruction of housing and infrastructure, possible death of people. We strongly ask the residents of these areas to take refuge in shelters, take all possible security measures in order to preserve their lives and health. We consider the entire population within the borders of the former Donetsk region to be our fellow citizens. You voted in 2014 for the independence of the Donetsk People's Republic, and we value every single life. We have experienced ourselves the cruelty and cynicism of the criminal orders by the Ukrainian regime. Therefore, I repeat, urgently take the maximum possible security measures.